Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. It's me, Tremaine, and today I will show you how I achieved this free bob lock look. Listen, I tried to look for this hairstyle everywhere. I went on YouTube, I went on Instagram, and every time I look for it, all I see is these people asking me to pay. Well, guess what? I figured it out myself, and you don't need to pay for me to show you how to do it. All you need to do is to watch this full video. And one thing extra, I need you
to subscribe, and I need you to like this video, and I need you to share it with your friends.
Because guess what? It's free. I'm literally gonna show you everything on how to achieve this look. Okay? So, before we start, I'll wait for you to do that. Alright, let's go.
I used spring twist for this tutorial, and as you can see, the first step was to braid it with my own hair. Then I took my crochet needle to crochet in the other string of hair, which I will use to wrap around the previous braid. As I got to the end, I wrapped whatever was left back up and tied a knot. You will see further down in the video specifically how I did it. Once again, you want to make sure that your second string of hair is fluffed out so that the lock could look very good and neat. Alright, what is shown right now, just make sure you fluff it out and get ready to wrap around the hair. I'm going to show you the steps once again, so you can't tell me that you don't know how to. I want everyone to learn how to do this bob faux locks, so watch carefully again. Finally done. I did it, guys. I'm so proud of myself. And you can do it too. You can really do it. So make sure to watch this video over and over again so you get to learn it. I hope you have fun doing this hairstyle and let me know in the comments. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.